Student, today we discuss about the next questions of the practice set 4.1 of the chapter Financial Planning of Mathematics part 1 of the 10th standard. The question number 5th is the total value, mean that with GST, of a remote control toy car is rupees 1770. The rate of GST is 18% on the top. Find the taxable value CGST and HGST for this toy car. Now student, first we have to assume that the taxable value of the toy car be 100 rupees, because here is GST is 18%, means that you have to take 18 rupees on this 100. So we have to assume that the taxable value of that car be 100 rupees first. Then 18% GST, means that the total taxable amount is how much? 100 plus this 18 means that 118 rupees. ही झाली त्या टॉयची कार, त्या टॉयची कॉस्ट होईल. Now first we take this and then solve this example. Its solution is, let the taxable value of the toy car be rupees 100 and here is 18% GST. 18% GST. Therefore, the total value is equals to rupees 100 plus this rupees 18%, means that 18 is equals to rupees 180. Now, student, then the total toy car is how much rupees? For 1770 rupees. So that here is the total value of given. Therefore, the total value of given toy car is rupees 1770. All of you know that the ratio of this total value upon this taxable value is always constant. Now, so I have write here. Therefore, the ratio of total value upon this taxable value is constant. For the is constant, so that for the total value of the toy car, therefore for the total value of toy car rupees 180. The taxable value of the car is the taxable value of the car B. Car is given here rupees how much? 100 rupees 100. Therefore, for the total value 1770, let this taxable value be X, because we have to find out this one is, so that therefore for the total value of the toy car rupees 1770, the taxable value of the car B rupees X. Now student, then we take here this ratio is constant, therefore then this ratio means that taxable value, this taxable value, we take first x because we have to find out x, means that x upon 100, then x upon 100 is equals to, sorry here, this x upon this total value is, here is 17,700, sorry to write here first, x 17,700 upon x is equals, means that total value upon taxable value, total value upon this taxable value of the car is x is equals to, here is total value is 118 upon this taxable value is 100. Next student, by cross multiplication I have to write directly here, x into 118 is equals to 1770 into 100. Then x again goes, this 118 again goes to denominator into 100 upon this 118. Now student, we have to simplify it. Now first by using simplify by 2, we get here 2 5s are 10, 1 carry 2 9s are, then here I have to simplify here 2 8s are 16, 1 carry 2 8s are 16, again here is 1 carry, mean that 2 5s are 10. Means student, again I have to simplify by using this 59 directly because this is prime number. 59 ones are 59, here is again 59 ones are 59. From this 88 we have to subtract here 59, then carries here 1, mean that 18 minus 9 is 9, 7 minus 5 becomes 2, mean that this is 29. Again we take here 5, and if you have to multiply this 59 by 5, then look carefully, 5 9 the 45 carries 4, 5 5 is a 25 plus 4 becomes 29, mean that here is 15. Now means therefore the value of x is equals to 15 into 100, mean that rupees 1500. Okay, this is the taxable value. So that GST on GST at 18% on this 1500 is, therefore GST at 18% on rupees 1500 is equals to, here is 18 upon 100 into 1500, these two zero get cancelled, is equals to rupees 18 5s are 90, carries 9, 18 ones are 18 plus 9 becomes 27, mean that 207. This is the GST at 18%. Student, therefore CGST is equals to, this is half of this GST, mean that rupees 270 upon these 2, it becomes rupees 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6, 1 carry 2 5s. That is, and also yes, GST is equals to rupees 135 because they are same. Therefore, the answer in full sentence, because you have to find out CGST, HGST and the taxable value also x, means that therefore the answer in full sentence, answer, the taxable value of the toy car is rupees 1500, CGST is equals to rupees 135 and yes GST is equals to also rupees 135. Okay, we take the next question. Question number 6 is, Tip-Top Electronics supplied AC of 1.5 ton. This is capacity of the AC to a company. The cost of GST, amount of CGST, and last point is amount of HGST. Now look here student, its solution is. I would write here the rate of GST is given here. How much? This rate of GST is 14%. The rate of CGST on AC is equals to how much? 14%. Therefore, the first one is, therefore, the rate of HGST on EC is equals to also how much percent? 14%. This is the answer of the first one is. Second one is rate of GST. Second one is rate of GST is equals to rate of CGST plus rate of HGST. Mean that 14% plus 14% is equals to how much? 28%. This is second one is. Then we have to find out here taxable value of AC. For this, we have to write here, let the cost of AC be 100 rupees here. Let the cost of AC be rupees 100. Then GST is given here 28%. Therefore, the cost of AC with GST is equals to how much? You have to add this 28 into this 100, in that rupees 128. Therefore, the cost of AC with GST is given rupees 51,200. This is with GST here. We know that the ratio of total value upon taxable value is constant. Therefore, for the total value of EC 128 rupees, therefore for the total value of AC rupees 128, the taxable value is rupees 100. Then for the total value 51,200, the taxable value be X. Therefore, for the total value of AC rupees 51,200, let the taxable value be rupees X. Then by using this ratio, this total value is 128. At that time the taxable value is 100 is equals to the total value is 51,200. At that time the taxable value be X. This 128 goes to denominator. Student, we have to simplify by using 8. 8 1 is 8, remaining is 4, 8 6. Then here is 8 6 48, carry is 3, 32, 8 4 and then 2 0 as it is. Then 16 1 16, 16 4 64 and these 2 0. Then the product of this is 400 into 100 is equals to rupees 40,000. Therefore, the taxable value is, third one is, therefore taxable value of AC is equals to rupees how much? 40,000. Okay. Then we take next one is question for total amount of GST. Therefore, total amount is equals to here is cost with GST minus taxable value. Cost with GST is how much? Rupees 51,200 minus rupees 40,000. Then this money is the rupees. So simple one, you have to subtract directly here 11,200. Then student, next one is amount of GST. Fifth one is amount of GST. Is equals to, here is half of GST, means that half of 11,200 is equals to rupees 2 5 10, 1 carry, 2 6 and the 0 0. Then last one is amount of HGST. Sorry, here fifth one is amount of CGST, and then sixth one is amount of HGST. Student, amount of CGST and HGST is same, so that this is equals to rupees 5,600. Student, you have to write all these answers again. Mean that first one is full sentence is, first one is the rate of GST is 14%. Second one is rate of GST is 28%. Third one is the taxable value is 40,000 rupees. Then amount of GST is 11,200. Then amount of CGST is 5,600 rupees, and amount of HGST is 5,600 rupees. Okay. The last example of the practice set 4.1 is question number 7. Prasad purchased a washing machine from Maharashtra Electronic Goods. The discount of 5% was given on the printed price of rupees 40,000. The rate of GST charge was 28%. Find the purchase price of the washing machine. Also find the amount of CGST and HGST shown in the tax invoice. Now student, first I have to take here the printed price of the washing machine is how much? 40,000 rupees. The answer is the printed price of washing machine is rupees 40,000 and discount is how much? 5% discount was given here. Now student, therefore the discount is equals to 5%, in that 5 upon 100 into 40,000. These two 0 get cancelled, then 4 5s are 20 and these two 0. Mean that 2,000 rupees is discount. Mean that the price for that customer is how much? 40,000 minus this 2,000, mean that 38,000. Mean that actual selling price is 38,000. Therefore, actual selling price SP of the washing machine is equals to rupees 40,000 minus rupees how much? 2,000 is equals to how much? Rupees 38,000. Now student, then GST on this 38,000, here is GST is given here 28%. Therefore, total GST is how much? 28% into how much? 38,000. Then also the 0 get cancelled. I have to multiply this 28 to this 380, this 0 as it is. Then 28 8s are 224, carries 22 here. Then 28 3s are here, sorry, 28 3s are here is 84 plus this 22 carries 6, then 10, means that 10,600 rupees is the total GST amount here. Therefore, this is GST. Therefore, CGST and HGST is equal to half of it. Therefore, I will write here CGST is equals to HGST is equals to half of this GST. Mean that half of this 10,640. Mean that 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4 and 0. Mean that CGST is equals to HGST is equals to rupees 5,320. Therefore, we have to find out here the actual price of the washing machine for Prasad is. Therefore, the actual price of washing machine for Prasad is equals to, we have to take here 38,000 here plus this GST is 10,640. This is the GST value. Then this addition becomes rupees 38 plus 10 becomes 48,640 rupees. This is the actual price for the Prasad here. Then we have to find out the amount of CGST and HGST also. Then we have to write the answer in full sentence. The answer is the purchase price of washing machine is rupees how much? 48,640. Then the amount of CGST, the amount CGST is equals to rupees how much? 5,320, and the amount